Okay, friends. In this uh, first, I will show you how you can play Kahoot game that through the link shared to you. You can join the game in two ways. You click on the link provided, or you enter the game pin at kahoot.it, kahoot.it site. You go to the kahoot.it and enter the game pin. For example, I'm taking this, copying this game pin, and I'm going to the Kahoot dot which site, kahoot.it, right? Kahoot.it, right? And here I will enter the game pin. I'm entering the game pin. This one, entering this. Please check and try again. Okay, fine. Let me do it in other way. See this one, by clicking the link directly. Okay, this is the video tutorial, right? So okay, let me see it. Close this. Uh, so where is the link file? Star.pdf. This is for week number 2. Computer science video tutorials and computer science Kahoot game. Mm, this one. Yes. So in this way, you can enter into Microsoft Excel challenge. I am showing you again. Uh, See this, how I entered the Kahoot game. See this. This link has been given to you. This one. This link file is shared with you. This is in the group. Hello. Hello. Can you listen me clearly, boys?
Yes, sir, I can hear.
Yes. So uh, this is this link. Where is this file located? In the WhatsApp group. You can search this file, junaid.hfs. This file, right? 5A week 3. Okay. This is the file. You will click this PDF file. So this file is open. This one, right? This file is open, and here for the Kahoot game, this game pin is wrong. What I'm saying, this game pin is wrong. You will enter the Kahoot using by clicking the link. Is it clear, Sufyan Gul? Sufyan Gul, is it clear now?
Yes, sir, here.
Okay, you will click on the link and you will enter the Kahoot game, and it will ask some 10 simple question about using MS Excel. But one thing here, you will not enter your nickname. You will enter your actual name. Like you will enter, for example, Kashi, or say uh, Fasi, right? 5A, right? You will type like this. You got it? Or Sufyan Gul 5A. Okay, go. Right? Okay, go. And see this. These students have played the Kahoot game. And like how many sheets MS Excel has. is better to off the sound. Now, how many sheet MS Excel has when we open a new file? 3, 1, 2, 5. Who can answer? The correct answer is 1. All right. Are you getting it, boy? Hello. Hello. Sufyan Gul, Ahmad Shahid, can you listen
I
me?
can get it.
So
Yes,
the
sir,
next
I can
point,
listen.
right? Next. The question which is not a main tab in MS Excel, like insert tab, file tab, drawing tab, data, whatever is correct, you will enter it.
Yes.
And in this way, you will complete the Kahoot. Okay, fine. So this was all about the Kahoot and right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Coming to the class, and now a few more thing about week 3
Sir,
assignment.
एक बार screen
This
sharing
way you will
allow
play the
करें मैं.
Kahoot. Sufyan and Amar Shahid, are you getting it? Both of you, please reply me. Reply me.
Sir, yes.
Yes, Sufyan Gul, did you get how to play the Kahoot game?
Yes, sir.
Next, the thing is that video tutorial. This is all about the video. And now, how computer worksheet. Computer worksheet. You have to make a table in Microsoft Excel. Uh, sorry, this is another, you can say, quiz about Microsoft Excel. Like MS Excel consists of spreadsheets. So you will, if this is statement true or false. Yes, who can answer it? MS Excel file consists of spreadsheet.
Sir, true.
True, sir.
True.
Habibur Rahman, can you reply this question? MS
True,
Excel
true, true.
consists of spreadsheet. True or false?
Sir,
Yes,
true.
Habibur Rahman.
Sir, true, true.
Habibur Rahman, just answer me. I'm not here. I
Sir,
cannot listen you.
true.
Any of Sufyan Gul, Ahmed, Hamid, Amar Shahid, who can answer
Sir,
answer it? MS Excel file consists of spreadsheet. Suppose you answer it as false. Then you will go to the next question. Address bar consists of contents of a cell. In address bar, see this. This is Microsoft. It is better if you open Microsoft Excel. You can answer the question easily. This is the address bar, right? Name box or address bar. So what does it have? Content of the cell or address of the cell? So in this way, you will answer it, right? You will answer it, and similarly, 10. It consists of 10 questions, and you will answer it and then submit it. Now, any question about Kahoot game and this worksheet Google form? Yes, tell. Anyone? Any question? Ahmed Hamid.
No, no, sir.
Okay, fine. Now coming to Microsoft Excel again. Uh, Microsoft Excel again. Now, I'm focusing on some of the feature we learned in the previous classes. I'm opening our old file countries, right? Countries. Now, see this. This is called formula bar. Whatever you type, and this one is the where your pointer is. This is called uh, uh, active cell. For example, right now the active cell is B10. The active cell is B10. Now the active cell is B1. Now the active cell is A10. The active cell address is shown in the name box. The active cell address is shown in the name box. And whatever you type in formula bar, it is shown in the active cell. Whatever you type in the active, for example, in formula bar, I'm typing Ahmar, right? Ahmar. So you can see it is also shown in the active cell. Similarly, now the active cell is 4. Whatever, if I click on it, active cell, by pressing F2, whatever I type here, it will also be shown in the formula bar, like Wahid, right?
पापा और जगह देते हैं
So it is also shown on the formula bar. Now I want you to do a simple task of addition, right? Task of addition. I am doing it here. For example, this is a result sheet. It has a report card having marks of students, right? I am selecting these cells, and you will have to show me. You will make this activity in your own file. You are selecting these cells. I have selected 4 column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will enter record of 4 students. And fifth one is for the title. Now I have selected these cells. Now I will go to the font group and I'll just select all borders command. Now I will merge the cell. I explained in the last class how you can merge the cell. Now I am merging the cell, going to the alignment group, merge and center. Now all these 5 cells are merged, and I am giving it a name, report card, right? Result sheet, result, better class, result. Hold on. Yes, class result sheet. Class result sheet, right? Class result sheet. Class result sheet. Now, suppose I'm entering the record of like Ahmad, Hamid, Sufyan, Sufyan Gul, and who is the other participant right now?
अभी
Saqib, Hassan Saqib, or Habibur Rahman. Habib, right? Habib. I'm doing it, and this one, I've typed the student name, and then okay. Now I need to, for example, insert a row between this class result sheet and Ahmed to type English, Urdu, Math. I can insert a new row. As I explained in the next line, doing the right click, insert, entire row, a new row will be added, right? So English, Urdu, and maths. We are making a very simple result sheet having the numbers of only 3 subjects. So though I know you have 9 or 10 subjects, but I am making it. Now this one, this column is for total marks. Total marks, right? Now, for example, I'm entering the marks at random out of 100. For example, 70, 90, or 45. Sufyan Gul. Okay. Uh, if you don't mind,
then
I am also giving you low marks. Habibur Rahman. Fine. And this time, Ahmad not performing well in Urdu. 50 marks. 40 marks. Sufyan Gul. Oh, Zabardast. MashaAllah. Say 95 marks. And say 90 marks. Fine. Maths. You all are genius, right? 90, 90, 80, and then 40. Okay. Now, if I want to show these marks in center rather than right align, I will select these columns. I have selected this column. I will go to the alignment group and selected the center option, right? Center option, right?
मैथ्स में ना
Now,
80 नंबर आए हैं
what I
मुझे
actually want to learn now is to use the AutoSum. AutoSum. It's so simple. It's very easy. It's very easy. You want to make a total of 70 plus 50, 140, 140 plus 90, 230. But okay, I can write it here as 230. But let's suppose I am making a result of 60 students. Then I have to use the calculator again and again, and maybe I'm wrong in entering the number. So there is a chance of error, right?
English में
So
45.
Excel provides a number of tools for calculation. I'm repeating,
और
Excel
Urdu में
provides
95.
a number of tools
Maths में 80.
calculation. How? Here I am just telling you to write to do a simple calculation, that finding the total in the last column. Finding the total, the last column, using this tool. You can see this tool in the home tab and in editing group. Home tab, editing group, you will find this command, AutoSum, right? AutoSum, right? You will find this command. So what will you do first? This one, selecting the cell, 4 cells. This fourth one is empty. Here the total will be shown. Now I go to the this one, and remember that this command is in home tab. You will not find it here. You will go to the home tab, then you will go to the editing group, then here you will find this command, AutoSum, right? And you need to first select the cell. I have selected the cell. I am in the home group, home tab, editing group, and now I'm pressing this AutoSum command. So you can see this, the total is shown here. Okay, means 230 was wrong. 70 plus 40, 50, 140, 140 plus 9. 70 plus 50, 120, 120 plus 90, 210. Okay, I was just calculating wrong. 230. Fine. Yes, Sufyan Gul. Sufyan Gul.
मैं कह रही हूँ कितने कम आए हैं बताओ ना माँ मैं चाहता हूँ
Right.
क्या गलती की है नहीं करो हाँ इंग्लिश में देखो ना सब असाइनमेंट
So in this way, yes, in this way, the total, the total is shown here. Now, will you do it repeatedly, that selecting the cell and then pressing this F sum? It means if you have the record of 60 students, you will have to do it 60 times, like doing this, clicking on the sum command, then again selecting the third row, clicking on the third command, selecting this, clicking on the third command. No, this is a boring method. The shortcut is that once you have done it, you will just drag it. See this, how am I doing it? You will just drag it, this one, right? This one, and the same thing will happen in the other cells. The same thing will happen in the other cells, and you will have the total of these. This is the making the class result sheet. Now, another short thing I am doing, like making tables, right? Tables of number. I am again doing it for all border, right? Tables of number. I am merging it, tables of, I am typing it as see this, tables of numbers, right? Now, to again, you want to show it in center, you will select all these, you will go to the alignment. Now, 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 1 equals to, sorry, right, equals to, no, 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to what? See this, first you will copy it. See this, I am just copying it. So in all the rows 2 is copied, in all the columns multiplication is copied, in all the, here it will be, you will know, you want it as 2 1 times, 2 2 times, 2 3 times, 2 4 times, 2 5 times. So when you do this, see this how am I doing it, you will go to this arrow and select fill series. Now it is 2 1 times, to 2 times, to 12 times. Now equal to, again equal to, just copy it. Fine. Now what you need to learn, this is the important point, that you actually multiply this 2 by 1. 2 1 times 2. You multiply this 2 by 2. You multiply this 2 by 3. So see, what is the cell address in name box? Can you tell me? This is C31. And what is the cell address of this? E31. I'm repeating. This is C31 and this is E31. So you will multiply C31 by E31. Getting it? Then where will you show the result? Here in G31, the address G31. How you will do it? You will first press equal to sign. Now this was C31 and this was E31. So you will not write like this 2 multiplied by 1. No, you will type the address C31. For multiplication, you will use star sign. This one. This is the star sign. You can find it on the number 8. With the shift key, you can press. With the shift key, you can press and get star sign. C31 star E31. Then you will press enter sign. So you get 2. Right? I am repeating it. You are on this G31. You want to multiply this C31 by E31. You go to the G31. You press equal to sign. Then you type the address. Then you type the address. Right? Then you type the address. How? C31. Star sign. Star symbol is on the number 8. You press shift sign and then press the number 8, you will get the star sign. Star sign is also on the numeric keypad on the right side of your keyboard on the top row. Fine. C31 star E. Khalil, please hold. I will answer your query in a couple of minutes. C31 into E31. Now after it, press enter sign. Now as we did in the mark sheet, you will also do the same in the number, table of number. You won't do it again and again for each row. Rather, you will just copy. So, see this. I am just dragging and you can see to 2 times 4, to 3 times 6, to 4 times 8, to 12 times 24, right? So in this way, you completed the table of number. Now, what is the benefit of it? Suppose if you want to know the table of 16, what? You want to know the table of 16. You want to know the table of, say, 24. So what will you do? You will just click on this, the first cell. I will type 24, enter, and then I will drag it down, right? To make it all 24. Now it has been changed into table of 24. 24 one time, 24, 24 two times, 48, 24 three times, 72, 24 four times, 96. So just changing this number, you will get the table of number. So you can find the table of any number. Like for example, table of 100, right? Enter, you can drag it down. Now it has become table of 100. So you will try this also. And so this was all about today's lecture of using different features of MS Excel and how to apply it. Right. So now some students were raising queries. Yes, I am unmuting you all. Now you can raise your question. Khalil, you are asking something. Khalil, you are, yes, Mohammed Khalil.
सर मैं पूछ रहा था
Sapin
सर
Tayyab,
जैसे
Mohammed
एक चीज
Khalil.
मैंने इसमें Yes, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है
Nothing to ask. So why were you raising hand? Mohammed Khalil.
सर
Okay, Musab bin
सर
Tayyab, any question
सर
to ask? And I will inshallah share the link of today's video lecture on your WhatsApp group. So you can, those who have not joined the class, they can see this through by clicking the link on WhatsApp group of 5A. Okay. Allah Hafiz
Okay,
to
sir.
all. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह को
Allah Hafiz.